to Assisted Device Resolve. Today I will show you how to reset this PC not working in Windows 11. Fix 1. Use recovery setting. Step 1. Press Windows key plus I. Then click on System. Then scroll down and click on Recovery. Then click on Reset PC. Fix 2. Run system file check. Press Windows plus X. Then click on Terminal Admin. Then type sfc/scan now and then press enter, and the scan started. When scan is completed, then restart your PC and try again for reset.